Amaji Samatun Tain, Radio Voice of St. London.
This is Dr. Terry Jackson. Please tune in. Yazir Kazi. Please listen to this show. This is a very informative show and it will change your life.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Almighty Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. You are listening to Radio Voice of St. London, the depictor, the disseminator, the interpreter of the voice of Sindh. And when we say voice, it means every sort of voice. I mean, whether it's a happy voice or a sorrowful, griefful voice, this voice is disseminated by Radio Voice of St. London, Radio VOS London, which webcasts its transmission from United Kingdom. And this is the weekly radio show of Radio Voice of St. London, which is titled as Indus Melodies. I mean, the melodies of Indus, the melodies of Sindh, the melodies of Indus Valley civilization. And this is a weekly radio show being broadcasted, being webcasted from Radio Voice of St. London. And this is program number 35, edition number 35 of season number 1 of Radio Voice of St. London's Indus Melodies. And this is me, Yasir Kazi, the host, the compiler and the producer of the show, saying you Assalamu alaikum, Haq Mawjood, Barhaq Mawjood, Sada Mawjood, Sindh Mawjood, Sach Mawjood, Sach Sri Akal or Sat Sri Akal, Namaskar, Namaskaram, Mujrosa, and welcome to the show. Hi folks, how are you? Please match your watches with our studio clock. This is 3:04 p.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time, 3:34 p.m. as per Indian Standard Time, 2:04 p.m. in the afternoon as per Standard Time of United Arab Emirates UAE, 11:04 a.m. in the morning as per the Standard Time of United Kingdom, and 6:04 a.m. as per Eastern Time or UTC-5 or GMT-4. I mean in Washington DC, New York City, Toronto and the cities around these areas. So listeners, welcome to the show. As I told you, this is 35th meeting with you all. And I welcome you to the show, greeting you with the May Day, the Labor Day, because this is 1st of May 2021. Yes, this is Saturday and May Day or the Labor Day, the first show of May. The first day of May, this is 1st of May 2021, Saturday, Ramadan al-Mubarak 18th, 1442 Hijrah, and 19th of Vesak, which is the second month of the Bakrami calendar, the Sindhi calendar or the local calendar, which is 2078. 19th of Vesak, 2078 Bakrami or Sambat calendar. Let's start our show with the name of Almighty Allah with this hymn, and this poetry is by Sachal Sarmast, whose 200th demise anniversary, Urs, was commemorated during this week, the week which is about to end. This is the voice of Singar Ali Salim. We would be talking about Sachal Sarmast more in the show, but at the moment we are starting with this hymn in the voice of Singar Ali Salim, written by Sachal Sarmast.
गाल जिना दी के दूहे जहान उना तू सदके बुलशा जड़े हों वन सोन सदा वन सिके दम अल्लाही अल्लाह दम अल्लाही अल्लाह ए वसदा मुल्क रवानी गम अलाज़म पहला इश्क अल्लाह ने कीता पहला इश्क अल्लाह ने कीता जह रसूल बनाया, जह रसूल बनाया। दम अल्लाही अल्लाह, दम अल्लाही अल्लाह। ए वसदा मुल्क रवानी दम अल्लाह। दूजो इश्क नबी ने कीता, जै कलमा पाक पढ़ाया, जै कलमा पाक पढ़ाया। दम अल्लाही अल्लाह, दम अल्लाही अल्लाह। ए वसदा मुल्क रब्बानी, सुन मियां काजी नहीं दिल राजी, नहीं दिल राजी। तैं केड़ा झगड़ा लाया, तैं केड़ा झगड़ा लाया। दम अल्लाही अल्लाह, सज्जन इश्क दा बंद सजा, डाकुल पंद अजाया, डाकुल पंद अजाया। दम अल्लाही अल्लाह, दम अल्लाही अल्लाह, दम अल्लाही अल्लाह, दम अल्लाही अल्लाह। ए वसदा मुल्क रवानी दम अल्लाह, दम अल्लाही अल्लाह, दम अल्लाही अल्लाह।
Dam Allahi Allah. Every moment, in every breath, I remember the Almighty Allah, the Almighty God. This was Singar Ali Salim singing the poetry of Hazrat Sachal Sarmast. And now I am going to greet you the Labor Day, the May Day, with this song sung by Ustad Muhammad Juman, Rubina Qureshi and their companions. I'm in the chorus. And this is written by Sayyid Manzoor Naqvi, which says, Jiye Mazdoor, live long the labor.
जी मजदूर, जी मजदूर, जी मजदूर, जी मजदूर। हिम्मत तुझी कदम कदम पे, हिम्मत तुझी कदम कदम पे, दुनिया में मशहूर। जी मजदूर, जी मजदूर, जी मजदूर, जी मजदूर। मेहनत तुझी सारे जग खे, मेहनत तुझी सारे जग खे, जारी राह ॾेखारे, जारी राह ॾेखारे।
मेहनत तुझी कम साकारी, मेहनत तुझी कम साकारी। बिगड़ल भाग संवारे, बिगड़ल भाग संवारे।
मेहनत तुंहिंजी ख़ुशहालीअ जी, मेहनत तुंहिंजी ख़ुशहालीअ जी।
दुनिया जो दस्तूर जी मज़दूर जी मज़दूर जी मज़दूर जी मज़दूर। हिम्मत तुंहिंजी कदम कदम पे, हिम्मत तुंहिंजी कदम कदम पे, दुनिया में मशहूर जी मज़दूर जी मज़दूर जी मज़दूर जी मज़दूर। राह तरक्कीअ ते मेहनत सां, राह तरक्कीअ ते मेहनत सां, साथ तोड़ रसाई, साथ तोड़ रसाई।
पंहिंजी हिम्मत सां सभिनी खे, पंहिंजी हिम्मत सां सभिनी खे मंज़िल ते पहुचाई, मंज़िल ते पहुचाई।
थे आराम नसीब ॿियनि खे, थे आराम नसीब ॿियनि खे।
तूं थकिजी थे चूर जी मज़दूर जी मज़दूर जी मज़दूर जी मज़दूर। हिम्मत तुंहिंजी कदम कदम ते, हिम्मत तुंहिंजी कदम कदम ते, दुनिया में मशहूर जी मज़दूर जी मज़दूर जी मज़दूर जी मज़दूर। तुंहिंजी मेहनत सां मोहब्बत, तुंहिंजी मेहनत सां मोहब्बत, कौम में बरतर इज़्ज़त, कौम में बरतर इज़्ज़त।
तू मेहनत जो शाह सदाई, तू मेहनत जो शाह सदाई। जग न म्यारी हिम्मत, जग न म्यारी हिम्मत।
खुशहालनि जो तूं ई ज़ामिन, खुशहालनि जो तूं ई ज़ामिन।
दुख तो साजन दूर जी मज़दूर जी मज़दूर जी मज़दूर जी मज़दूर। हिम्मत तुंहिंजी कदम कदम ते, हिम्मत तुंहिंजी कदम कदम ते, दुनिया में मशहूर जी मज़दूर जी मज़दूर जी मज़दूर जी मज़दूर जी मज़दूर।
G.A. Mazdoor, the laborer, the one who is hardworking, bearing hardships for the prosperity of the land, for the prosperity of the nation, may live long. This was a song written in accordance with the May Day, the Labor Day, which is today, May 1st, and this was written by Sayyid Manzoor Naqvi and sung by Ustad Muhammad Juman, Rubina Qureshi and their companions, the chorus. Let me wish you again Happy Labor Day. Since this day is concerned, this is not only about wishing this day, but also this day is commemorated to recognize the services of the labor class, which is not considered at any stage playing any role for the prosperity of the nation, of the country, of the land, of the terra, but we always ignore their role, which is the vital role, because if the wheel doesn't move, the nation can never be prosperous. Because their role is the fundamental role to run the economy of the world, and we continuously ignore this class. And this very day reminds us, makes us recall the importance of the labor class. So we would be paying a tribute to the labor class, the labor, and we would be rather paying a salute to this class on this day. This is my day. And let me share with you that which are the voices who would be beautifying today's show. There would be two colors in our today's show. One is the Labor Day, of course, and second one is Sajal Sarmast. We would be paying a tribute to Hazrat Sajal Sarmast, the poet of this land who composed his poetry in 4 languages, Sindhi, Saraiki, Rekhta. Rekhta means the initial shape of Urdu, and then in Persian. And he is being paid tribute on his 200th demise anniversary. And due to COVID, this is the second year that his annual Urs celebrations are not being commemorated and celebrated on his shrine, which is near Khairpur, and that small village is called Daraza Sharif. But the media, the print media, the electronic media commemorated this Urs Mubarak, this 200th demise anniversary. So we would be paying tribute to both. Humaira Channa, Rahmat Ali Mirali, Ustad Muhammad Juman, Diba Sahar, Ghulam Abbas, Anwar Hussain Vistro, Master Muhammad Ibrahim, Soshila Mehtani, Zafar Ali, and others would be paying tribute to Hazrat Sajal Sarmast and also the Labour, because this is the May Day. Let me take you to a historical speech by Shahid Zulfiqar Ali Bhutto as the President of Pakistan, not the Prime Minister of Pakistan, when he was the President and the Chief Martial Law Administrator of Pakistan. The date was 10th of February 1972 when he announced Labour policy. And as a matter of fact, after Shahid Bhutto, nobody has given a comprehensive Labour policy. No leader of a state in Pakistan has given a comprehensive Labour policy. So this is an important policy, and for the comprehension and orientation of my listeners, let me share with you the whole speech which he delivered on 10th of February 1972 announcing the Labour policy. And this is a core part of our record, the record of YQ's Music Library, and I'm sharing this precious recording with you in which the detailed parts of this policy are defined by the former president himself. So, along with the announcement by Radio Pakistan completely and the national anthem of Pakistan, I'm going to play this recording of Labour policy announced by then President of Islamic Republic of Pakistan, Shahid Zulfiqar Ali Bhutto. Here we go.
9:15 p.m. West Pakistan time, 10:15 p.m. East Pakistan time. This is Radio Pakistan. In a few moments from now, the President, Mr. Zulfiqar Ali Bhutto, will address the nation on the new Labour policy. The President's address will be followed by its translation in Urdu. Ladies and gentlemen, the President.
I am happy to announce today, within 7 weeks of assuming office, a new labour policy which will guarantee to workers their fundamental rights consistent with the requirements of industrial development of the state. I want to emphasize that this is only a first step towards the fulfillment of our pledge to the workers. We are not so naive as to think that a mere new set of laws will transform overnight national economic life. We have tried to introduce certain basic reforms, I may add, which were long overdue, but which no previous government dared to introduce. The iniquitous economic system that has prevailed for so long cannot be changed in a day, but we are making a determined beginning in the highest interests of the workers. I will outline briefly some of the main features of the legislation we are introducing. The Labour Minister will elucidate the salient features of this policy tomorrow in a press conference. Workers will be given effective participation in the management of industry. This will be progressively increased. As soon as the legislation and connected formalities are completed, workers' representatives will be associated with management to the extent of 20% at factory level. This will be done soon. At a prescribed level of industrial unit and under certain spelt out stipulation, they will also have the authority to appoint an auditor with powers to inspect any accounts, records, premises or stores of a factory. This auditor will be paid by the management of the concerned prescribed unit. Further, we have decided to raise to 4% from 2.5% the share of the workers in the annual profits under the existing Companies Profits Workers' Participation Act 1968. If the workers increase productivity, they may receive an additional 10% of the increased profits. In order to make the trade union movement truly effective, we have decided to introduce a system of shop stewards at the lowest production level of prescribed industrial units. Each shop or department in such a factory will have a shop steward who will be elected by secret ballot by the workers of the shop from among themselves. He will represent their interest and point of view in the management of that shop and will act as a link between the workers and management of prescribed units. To ensure that workers' grievances receive full and efficacious justice, we have decided to introduce a new streamlined procedure which provides for a worker himself or through his shop steward to bring his grievances to the notice of management. And if no redress is given within a period prescribed, the matter may be taken to the labour union or the labour court. In such cases, the labour court will give its decision within 20 days and not 60 days as is done at present. The law relating to settlement of collective disputes has also been reformed to provide expeditious settlement. Works councils will be strengthened and the scope of their function widened to include all matters which can go before labour courts. Formerly, collective disputes had first to be referred only to management, but now workers will have the option to refer for a bilateral settlement collective disputes to the Workers' Council in which both they and management will be represented. A further revision in the law will provide that instead of waiting for 21 days for serving a strike notice, a notice may be served within 3 days if management does not respond favorably or there is failure of bilateral negotiations in the work councils. Under the new law, a matter may be taken to labour court by either party. Formerly, this could be done only if both workers and management agreed jointly. Thus, the workers, while retaining their right to strike, will have the option to get immediate adjudication by court. This provision is designed to save the workers from being forced to go on strike, which they had to do in the past, merely because management did not agree to move the court. The court's award will now be given within 30 days and not 60 days as previously. I would add that the right of clerical staff of banks to collective bargaining is now being restored, and in this connection, lower supervisory levels will be included in the definition of workman. In order to ensure that strikes do not take place without the consent or against the interest of the general body of workers, it has been made obligatory for unions to hold a secret ballot before resorting to strikes. We intend to give full protection to workers against arbitrary retrenchment and termination of services by making it necessary for every order of retrenchment and termination of service to state reasons explicitly in writing. This will not only reduce substantially injustice to the workers, but will also facilitate scrutiny by courts of the merits of each case. We have decided to make compulsory the payment of bonus to employees either in cash or NIT shares at the option of the workers. The amount of bonus will be linked with profits so that increase in production and the prosperity of workers go hand in hand. We have also decided to extend the application of Payment of Wages Act 1936 and Industrial Employment Standing Orders Ordinance 1968 to labor under contractors. This will ensure regular payments, overtime pay, and proper rates of payments. We naturally attach great importance to housing and will do everything possible to have it provided to the maximum extent possible. The Workers' Welfare Fund for Housing and other major facilities was created some time back. This has remained a paper fund only. We have therefore decided that representative committees will be set up, comprising nominees of workers and management, and including representatives of the provincial governments, to go into the financial and other circumstances of each undertaking in the area and decide what further contribution, over and above the minimum one laid down by law, should be made by employers for these facilities. Even more important is education, and we have decided that employers shall provide free education up to metric to one child of every worker. The others will progressively be looked after by the state. This will naturally not apply to industrial units already providing better facilities to the children of workers. We have carefully reviewed the Social Security Scheme and introduced major reforms in it. First, the levy of 2% of a worker's wages for providing him with medical facilities has been abolished, and the existing 4% contribution made by the employer will be raised to 6%. In due course, additional steps will be taken for the provision of further medical facilities to workers. Secondly, provision for old age pension will be made for all workers at a certain age. Compulsory group insurance for workers against death and injury when off duty will be introduced. Thirdly, the Social Security Scheme will be appropriately extended to cover domestic servants. The existing laws regarding safety measures and workmen's compensation in the event of death or injury are being revised. Increased rates of compensation will be provided. Group benefit schemes will be introduced as incentive to workers to compete in increasing efficiency and production in each plant. Measures will at the same time be taken to see, as far as possible, equitable distribution of employers' contribution between workers in capital intensive and labor intensive undertakings. One major shortcoming has existed all along in labor legislation: infringement of certain provisions such as payment of compensation in case of death or injury, payment of overtime wages, provision of canteens on premises and other such facilities have not been treated as cognizable offences. Violation of all such provisions are being made cognizable, though bailable. We have also decided upon a large number of measures to promote the growth of workers' movement along progressive lines. I will mention only the more important of these measures. To strengthen the growth of the trade union movement, we have decided to set up a quasi-judicial authority with three main aims. Firstly, to promote genuine trade unionism at the trade level and ensure representative character of unions. Secondly, to help in the setting up of federations of unions industry-wise. Thirdly, to help in the formation of federations at the national level. It will also deal with cases of victimization of office bearers of trade unions and unfair labor practices on the part of employers as well as trade unions. We have given serious consideration to the question of the minimum wage. We do not think it advisable to take hurried measures. Only 2 years ago, the minimum wage was increased, but a corresponding benefit has not accrued to the wage earner, nor has it increased his purchasing power. It only resulted in a serious price spiral which is not yet checked. Before increasing minimum wages, it is essential to stabilize the prices so that the benefit of the increased wage becomes substantial in its practical sense instead of getting eaten away by galloping inflation. After careful consideration, it has been decided that at this initial stage, when we are about to begin the task of salvaging the national economy, an increase in money wages will further aggravate the inflationary situation. We have instead, at this moment, introduced measures relating to participation in profit, housing, education, and the abolition of 2% levy under the Social Security Scheme, which are designed to increase the workers' real income. At the same time, we are making every effort to stabilize the prices of essential items of daily use such as atta, sugar, vegetable, ghee, kerosene oil, and cloth. We believe that these measures we are taking will result in true and meaningful benefits to the workers. It is our intention to peg wages to prices, as is the practice in the Scandinavian and some other advanced countries. This will be done when the economic situation normalizes and when production increases. To bear this and other reforms, including increase in minimum wages, there must be a rapid increase in production. We are facing a crisis in production. This crisis must be surmounted to increase national wealth and national welfare of the laboring classes and of our society as a whole. I would like to emphasize that our economic salvation lies in making a determined effort to increase production. Since the 20th of December, martial law notwithstanding, gheraos and jalaos seem to have become the order of the day. This unruly and rowdy practice, negative in its purpose, anarchistic in its approach, nihilist in its results, has been endured regrettably by the government and the people for over 7 weeks. The object of this exercise in patience was to show the people, and indeed even the participants, that this simply is not the proper form of protest or of ventilation of grievances. It is a self-destructive procedure. The majority of the people have shown their disgust over these demonstrations of hooliganism. They want an end to it. They want a return to sensible and civilized methods of protest. Even the participants, excepting the ringleaders, are getting disillusioned with this practice. National leaders have spoken against it. Public opinion is clear on the matter. Taking all these factors into account, now I want to make it clear that the strength of the street will be met by the strength of the state. For long the people have tolerated this intolerable form of threat and thunder. It must stop. I say as a friend and associate of those who have been innocently misled to indulge in one gherao after another. It is in their interest and in the interest of the rest of the people to put an end to this form of lawlessness. Scores have been settled, pent-up energies have been released, so let everyone return to the path of normality. Let nobody take these remarks light-heartedly either. In future, the full weight of law will be visited on such forms of illegal demonstration. The government is not only aware of the workers' problems, but is fully receptive and sympathetic. We have provided the workers with every legal means for redress of grievances. Let them now try these methods, which are in their true interest. I am speaking to you candidly to prepare you for the strenuous times lying ahead. But I am confident that if all of us try hard and work hard, we will all benefit. Of necessity, it will have to be a collective effort. This is the only way to serve Pakistan, to ensure that the children of our toiling masses, who have seen nothing but misery and hardship for centuries, will live in a better Pakistan, a more secure and happy Pakistan. Our sacrifices will not go in vain. We are making basic adjustments, not without a purpose. All our yesterdays have seen failure. Let us strive for a better tomorrow, a morrow at the service of the common man.
Yes, honorable spectators, this was then President of Islamic Republic of Pakistan, Shahid Zulfiqar Ali Bhutto, who was announcing Labour policy of Pakistan on 10th of February 1972, 49 years back. This is the story of 49 years back, around half of the century. And you can imagine the population of Pakistan then and the resources of Pakistan, and within these resources such comprehensive policy was announced by Shahid Zulfiqar Ali Bhutto, which was just aired from Radio Voice of Sindh London in Indus Melodies by us for your listening pleasure and also for your listening comprehension and orientation. You are listening to Radio Voice of Sindh London, and this is Indus Melodies. We are paying tribute to the labor of this land, rather the labor of all the world, all the globe. And this is a song dedicated to all the labors of the world, sung by Manzoor Sakhirani, who says that when a labor sweats, the fragrance and the aroma of his sweat is more than all the fragrances and aromas of the globe, of this land. Let's listen to this beautiful melody by Manzoor Sakhirani. Khastoor naka mushk na ambar mein mile thi, poret je pagharma uha surhana je thi. Here we go.
कस्तूरन का मुश्कन अंबर में मिले थी, कस्तूरन का मुश्कन अंबर में मिले थी, और तज पघर माऊहा सुरहान वचे थी, सुरहान वचे थी, सुरहान वचे थी। बचे थी, और तज पघर माऊहा सुरहान वचे थी, सुरहान वचे थी, सुरहान वचे थी। दुनिया में वहा कौम थी खुशहाल गुजारे, दुनिया में वहा कौम थी खुशहाल गुजारे, मेहनत में शबो रोज़ मसरूफ रही थी, और तज पघर सुरहान वचे थी, सुरहान वचे थी, सुरहान वचे थी। और जन जागे तहुजे रात अंधेरी, माण्हूअ खे हक़ीक़त में थी इंसान बनाए माण्हूअ खे हक़ीक़त में थी इंसान बनाए ही इल्म जी दौलत महनत सां मिले थी औरत जे घर मां सुरहाण अचे थी दस्तूर नकाबोशन अंबर में मिले थी औरत जे घर मां सुरहाण अचे थी सुरहाण अचे थी सुरहाण अचे थी
The nation which knows the value of the labor can only be prosperous and can only get its place among the nations in the world which knows the value of the labor. This was a beautiful melody sung by Manzoor Sakhirani, and we aired this melody paying the tribute to all the laborers of the world on World Labour Day, the May Day, and this was aired from Radio Voice of Sin London in Indus Melodies. Let's pay a tribute to Hazrat Sachal Sarmast, Hazrat Sachal Sai, the great mystic poet of this land, getting help from the voice of Humaira Channa. And Humaira says, Sachal Sai says that for getting a vision, for getting the company of my beloved, I cried a lot, I wept a lot, and then I got the company of my cherished one. Here we go.
पसण कारण पिरीअ जे कया पसण कारण पिरीअ जे कया आगम अखड़ीअ आगम अखड़ीअ पसण कारण पिरीअ जे कया पसण कारण पिरीअ जे कया आगम अखड़ीअ आगम अखड़ीअ पसण कारण पिरीअ जे कया 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 आगम अखड़ीअ आगम अखड़ीअ पसण कारण पिरीअ जे कया पसण कारण पिरीअ जे कया पसण
Homera Channa was singing Basan Karan Piriyaje. For being in company, for being in the lap of my beloved, I have wept a lot. This was the poetry of Hazrat Sechal Sai sung by Homera Channa, which we just aired in Indus Melodies. And this is the 35th edition of Indus Melodies, the weekly English radio show with Sindhi songs and discussion about the personality of Sindh and the literature of Sindh and the music of Sindh and everything related to this land. And now we are listening the same song, the same kafi in two voices for the orientation of those listeners who can understand Urdu. And with Urdu translation, I am going to air the same kafi. And in this kafi, the Urdu translation is made by Agha Salim, an other great intellectual recently departed from us, from this land. And in this kafi, in this version, the Urdu part translated by Agha Salim Sahab and of course written by Sechal Sai is sung by Homera Channa. But the Sindhi original version is sung by Rahmat Ali Mirali. So let's listen to this duet, which is recorded in shape of duet, but this is the same kafi which we just heard, but with Urdu orientation sung by Homera Channa and Rahmat Ali Mirali. And I hope that you would love to listen this version. Dekhan Karan Tohe Dilbar.
पसण कारण पिरीअ जे कया आगम अखड़ियूं आगम अखड़ियूं
देखन कारण तोहे दिलबर देखन कारण तोहे दिलबर बरस रहे मोरे नैन बरस रहे मोरे नैन
पसण कारण पिरीअ जे कया पसण कारण पिरीअ जे कया आगम अखड़ियूं आगम अखड़ियूं
देखन कारण तोहे दिलबर देखन कारण तोहे दिलबर बरस रहे मोरे नैन बरस रहे मोरे नैन
रातों डीह वसन
देखन कारण यार सजन के बरस रहे दिन रैन
अखड़ी उन आगम अखड़ी उन
देखन का रंग तो है दिलबर, देखन का रंग तो है दिलबर, बरस रहे मोरे नैन, बरस रहे मोरे नैन।
जोरन लहे जुड़ जियला थी कन्हे वेगाणन
पिया मिलन को तरस रहे हैं, बरस रहे दिन रैन। पिया मिलन को तरस रहे हैं, बरस रहे दिन रैन।
पसण कारण प्रिय जे कया, पसण कारण प्रिय जे कया।
देखन का रंग तो है दिलबर, देखन का रंग तो है दिलबर, बरस रहे मोरे नैन, बरस रहे मोरे नैन।
पसण कारण प्रिय जे कया, पसण कारण प्रिय जे कया। आगम अखड़ी उन आगम अखड़ी उन सदा सावण तन खेला बूंदा बस न कन।
बूंदों की बारिश है पल पल, पल को नहीं है चैन। बूंदों की बारिश है पल पल, पल को नहीं है चैन। देखन का रंग तो है दिलबर, देखन का रंग तो है दिलबर, बरस रहे मोरे नैन, बरस रहे मोरे नैन।
पसण कारण प्रिय जे कया, पसण कारण प्रिय जे कया। आगम अखड़ी उन आगम अखड़ी उन
देखन का रंग तो है दिलबर, देखन का रंग तो है दिलबर, बरस रहे मोरे नैन, बरस रहे मोरे नैन।
सचल सुपरिय लाय लाथ्य जोरिय मंझ झजन।
सचल उस साजन के कारण बरस रहे हैं नैन। सचल उस है दिलबर बरस रहे मोरे नैन बरस रहे मोरे नैन
बसण कारण तेरी जे कया बसण कारण तेरी जे कया आगम अखड़ी आगम अखड़ी
देखन कारण तो है दिलबर देखन कारण तो है दिलबर बरस रहे मोरे नैन बरस रहे मोरे नैन
Alright folks, I hope that you enjoyed this bilingual presentation of the poetry of Sachal Sai. This was actually recorded by the Department of Culture, Government of Sindh, and this was a complete album of the poetry of Sachal Sai with Urdu translation. And as I told you that Sachal Sai's poetry, the poetry of Hazrat Sachal Sarmas was translated into Urdu by Agha Salim Sahab and sung in various voices including Mehnaz, Ghulam Abbas Sahab, Umaira Channa, Rahmat Ali Mirali and Diba Sahar. So, we were listening to this Kafi by Sachal Sai in the voices of Umaira Channa and Rahmat Ali Mirali. I'm going to make you listen one of the tremendous compositions by Ustad Muhammad Juman for the poetry of Sachal Sarmast, and this is one of the rare radio recordings of Ustad Muhammad Juman, and the melody is not only very beautiful, splendid, extraordinary, but also very difficult to sing. And you will see the avenues of emotions and sentiments in this Kafi. And the meaning of the Kafi is also very interesting. That I am looking your ways, I am looking for you, for your arrival on my doorsteps, being on my toes. I'm not only waiting for you, but on my floor, I'm standing on my toes to see your way, that when would you come? And as I told you that the tune is very difficult.
तुझे अचण जो आटड़ियों तुझे अचण जो आटड़ियों तुझे अचण जो आटड़ियों तुझे अचण जो आटड़ियों नितिन तू भी निहारा नितिन तू भी निहारा नितिन तू भी निहारा नितिन तू भी निहारा तुझे अचण जो आटड़ियों तुझे अचण जो आटड़ियों.
So, why should not we listen this complete Kafi by Ustad Muhammad Juman, of course composed by Ustad Muhammad Juman and sung by himself, and the tremendous, the outstanding poetry by Hazrat Sachal Sarmast as a tribute to Sachal Sai on his 200th demise anniversary. Here we go.
अचण जूं आटड़ियूं तुंहिंजे अचण जूं आटड़ियूं तुंहिंजे अचण जूं आटड़ियूं तुंहिंजे अचण जूं आटड़ियूं नित नित उभी निहारियां नित नित उभी निहारियां नित नित उभी निहारियां नित नित उभी निहारियां तुंहिंजे अचण जूं आटड़ियूं तुंहिंजे अचण जूं आटड़ियूं तुंहिंजे अचण जूं आटड़ियूं तुंहिंजे अचण जूं आटड़ियूं. लौलिकायो लोक खां लौलिकायो लोक खां लौलिकायो लोक खां लौलिकायो लोक खां हंज में हंजो तिहारियां हंज में हंजो तिहारियां हंज में हंजो तिहारियां हंज में हंजो तिहारियां तुंहिंजे अचण जूं आटड़ियूं तुंहिंजे अचण जूं आटड़ियूं तुंहिंजे अचण जूं आटड़ियूं तुंहिंजे अचण जूं आटड़ियूं नित उभी निहारिया नित नित उभी निहारिया नित नित उभी निहारिया नित नित उभी निहारिया तुंहिंजे अचण जूं वाटड़ियूं तुंहिंजे अचण जूं वाटड़ियूं तुंहिंजे अचण जूं वाटड़ियूं तुंहिंजे अचण जूं वाटड़ियूं दर्द जा दाग तुझे दर्द जा दाग तुझे दर्द जा दाग तुझे दर्द जा दे अखे कीअं ॾेखारियां दे अखे कीअं ॾेखारियां दे अखे कीअं ॾेखारियां दे अखे कीअं ॾेखारियां तुंहिंजे अचण जूं वाटड़ियूं तुंहिंजे अचण जूं वाटड़ियूं तुंहिंजे अचण जूं वाटड़ियूं तुंहिंजे अचण जूं वाटड़ियूं नित नित उभी निहारिया नित नित उभी निहारिया नित नित उभी निहारिया नित नित उभी निहारिया तुंहिंजे अचण जूं वाटड़ियूं तुंहिंजे अचण जूं वाटड़ियूं तुंहिंजे अचण जूं वाटड़ियूं तुंहिंजे अचण जूं वाटड़ियूं सचूं चवे शौक़ में तुंहिंजे सचूं चवे शौक़ में सचूं चवे शौक़ में तुंहिंजे सचूं चवे शौक़ में कोदम कीअं विसारियां कोदम कीअं विसारियां कोदम कीअं विसारियां कोदम कीअं विसारियां तुंहिंजे अचण जूं वाटड़ियूं तुंहिंजे अचण जूं वाटड़ियूं तुंहिंजे अचण जूं वाटड़ियूं तुंहिंजे अचण जूं वाटड़ियूं नित नित उभी निहारिया नित नित उभी निहारिया नित नित उभी निहारिया नित नित उभी निहारिया तुंहिंजे अचण जूं वाटड़ियूं तुंहिंजे अचण जूं वाटड़ियूं तुंहिंजे अचण जूं वाटड़ियूं तुंहिंजे अचण जूं वाटड़ियूं
तुंहिंजे अचण जूं वाटड़ियूं नित नित उभी निहारियां. I'm anxiously looking on your ways, on my toes. We were listening to this beautiful, tremendous poetry by Sachal Sai, sung by Ustad Muhammad Juman in Indus Melodies. And Indus Melodies is being webcasted from Radio Voice of Sindh, London. You are listening to the 35th edition of Indus Melodies. Let's listen to the Saraiki Kalam, the Saraiki poetry of Sachal Sai, sung by Diba Sahar and Ghulam Abbas as a duet. And this is the same kafi with which we started our yesterday's show, Suraj Shaakhon Kadiyun, which means Jahandil Pita Ishq da Jam, Sadil Masto Mast Mudam. One who drinks the wine of the divine love is always dancing and saying that Haq Mawjood Sada Mawjood, the Creator is omnipresent and the divine is everywhere. And he was everywhere and he will remain everywhere. Let's listen to this beautiful, tremendous duet sung by Diba Sahar and Ghulam Abbas.
जै दिल पीता इश्क दा जाम सा दिल मस्तो मस्त मुदाम सा दिल मस्तो मस्त मुदाम हक मौजूद सदा मौजूद हक मौजूद सदा मौजूद
हक मौजूद सदा मौजूद, हक मौजूद सदा मौजूद, हक मौजूद सदा मौजूद, हक मौजूद सदा मौजूद। जे दिल पीता इश्क दा जाम, सा दिल मस्तो मस्त मुदाम।
हक मौजूद सदा मौजूद, हक मौजूद सदा मौजूद, हक मौजूद सदा मौजूद, हक मौजूद सदा मौजूद।
इस्लाम कुफर किथा इस्लाम।
जे दिल पीता इश्क दा जाम, जे दिल पीता इश्क दा जाम, सा दिल मस्तो मस्त मुदाम, सा दिल मस्तो मस्त मुदाम। हक मौजूद,
हक मौजूद
सदा मौजूद,
सदा मौजूद,
हक मौजूद,
हक मौजूद
सदा मौजूद,
सदा मौजूद,
हक मौजूद सदा मौजूद, हक मौजूद सदा मौजूद। जे दिल पीता इश्क दा जाम, सा दिल मस्तो मस्त मुदाम। हक मौजूद सदा मौजूद, हक मौजूद सदा मौजूद, हक मौजूद सदा मौजूद, हक मौजूद सदा मौजूद। जे दिल पीता इश्क दा जाम, जे दिल पीता इश्क दा जाम, सा दिल मस्तो मस्त मुदाम, सा दिल मस्तो मस्त मुदाम। हक मौजूद,
हक मौजूद
सदा मौजूद,
सदा मौजूद,
हक मौजूद,
हक मौजूद
सदा मौजूद,
सदा मौजूद,
हक मौजूद सदा मौजूद, हक मौजूद सदा मौजूद। जे दिल पीता इश्क दा जाम, सा दिल मस्तो मस्त मुदाम। हक मौजूद सदा मौजूद, हक मौजूद सदा मौजूद, हक मौजूद सदा मौजूद, हक मौजूद सदा मौजूद।
सचल हित गुलाम
जे दिल पीता इश्क दा जाम जे दिल पीता इश्क दा जाम सा दिल मस्तो मस्त मुदाम सा दिल मस्तो मस्त मुदाम हक मौजूद सदा मौजूद हक मौजूद सदा मौजूद हक मौजूद सदा मौजूद हक मौजूद सदा मौजूद जे दिल पीता इश्क दा जाम सा दिल मस्तो मस्त मुदाम हक मौजूद सदा मौजूद 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 हक मौजूद सदा मौजूद
जह दिल पीता इश्क दा जाम सादिल मस्तो मस्त मदाम हक मौजूद sada maujood. We were listening to the poetry of Sachal Sai by Diba Sahar and Ghulam Abbas. Let's listen to Sachal Sai by Anwar Hussain Vistido. But before that, I want to share the lines written by Sachal Sai with you. The avenue leading to the east. The avenue leading to the east is not my walk. This is the way of these yogis, and my destination is Hinglaj. Let's listen to this kafi.
मालूम आहे हिल गरीब जोहार हिल गरीब जोहार आहे हमारी सुपरी आहे हमारी आहे हमारी सुपरी सुपरी जीअण मुहे जो जंजाल जीअण मुहे जो जंजाल तोखे मालूम आहे तोखे मालूम आहे हिल गरीब जो हाल हिल गरीब जो हाल सजण साथ हिकड़ी सजण सजण साथ हिकड़ी जेठियां थी धार तकर जमार मियां ॼणु कॾहिं ॾिठो सोकी न के आहे हमारी सुपरी आहे हमारी सुपरी सुपरी जीअण मुहे जो जंजाल तोखे मालूम आहे हिल गरीब जो हाल हिल गरीब जो हाल सजण तू मछ डेज सजण तू सजण तू छॾे जुमागियां तुंहिंजे आसरे सभई सपाड़ूं सूरतूं हिकु लहज़े मंझि लटेज दोस्त न दिलि मटेज ॿियो मुल्क मटियो त बि घोरियो मञ सचल जा सुपिरी मञ सचुअ जी सुपिरी सुपिरी साईं अलॻि सवाल साईं अलॻि सवाल तोखे मालूम आहे तोखे मालूम आहे हिन ग़रीब जो हाल हिन ग़रीब जो हाल सजण साथ हिकिड़ी जेठियां थी धार तकर जमार मियां ॼणु कॾहिं ॾिठो सोकी न के आहे अमारिया सुपिरी आहे अमारिया सुपिरी सुपिरी जीअण मोहे जो जंजाल तोखे मालूम आहे हिन ग़रीब जो हाल हिन ग़रीब जो हाल सजण तूं मछ ॾेज सजण तूं सजण तूं मछ ॾे जुमागियां तुंहिंजे आसरे सभई सपाड़ूं सूरतूं हिकु लहज़े मंझि लटेज दोस्त न दिलि मटेज ॿियो मुल्क मटियो त बि घोरियो मञ सचल जा सुपिरी मञ सचुअ जी सुपिरी सुपिरी साईं अलॻि सवाल साईं अलॻि सवाल तोखे मालूम आहे तोखे मालूम आहे हिन ग़रीब जो हाल हिन ग़रीब जो हाल
This is Dr. Terry Jackson, and you're listening to Yazir Kazi. Please listen to this show. This is a very informative show, and it will change your life.
I'm poor and only you know how do I dwell. And if you want to improve my happiness, you would have to come on my doorsteps to give me your company. This was the poetry of Sachal Sai, Hazrat Sachal Sai, which was sung by Anwar Hussain Vistaro, which we just aired in Indus Melodies from Radio Voice of Sin London as a tribute to 200th Urs Mubarak of Hazrat Sachal Sarmast, which was on 14th and 15th of Ramadan al-Mubarak. Sachal Sai says, "You are within me, I'm dwelling within thee. You are within me, I'm dwelling within thee. Just like thunder in the rain cloud." This was his verse from the melody of Sarang, from the rain melody, from the melody of monsoons. In another of his couplet he says, "O my Creator, O my Master, O my Creator, O my Master, please shower over those who are in pain, so that those cherished may come to be with me who are away." He says, "You are the master, and I am the poor sinner. You are the master, and I am the poor sinner. Please ignore my depravities, because I am associated with thee." In the melody of Nuri, he says, "The small fish hunted by the king Jam Tamachi. The small fish hunted by Jam Tamachi is precious than pearls and gems, because I esteem my man." Nuri says that I esteem my man who has become a fisherman out of my adoration, out of my love. The thirst of the deer is o'er. The thirst of the deer is o'er, and now they are on the way to desert again. They have drunk the rainwater at the fullest from the mount side. And he sighs in an other melody, which is the melody of Marvi. He says, "May my kinfolks be not away from me either. May my kinfolks may not away from me either. I'm not able to live to be deprived of those and perish." Let's listen to this melody by Sachal Sai, sung by Sushila Mehtani and Master Muhammad Ibrahim. Ko kiye chave, aan joi aaya, soi aaya. Someone titles me with something and someone understands something else for me, but I am what I am. Here we go.
Kokiye chave aao, joi aaya, soi aaya. Kokiye chave aao, joi aaya, soi aaya. Kokiye chave जाहिल नालो जाहिर चवे शायर चवे हो शायर चवे आओ कोई आया सोई आया शायर चवे हो शायर चवे आओ कोई आया सोई आया कोई चवे को पंथ चवे को संत चवे को पंथ चवे को संत चवे अल्लाह को बाबूबान बसंत चवे को बाबूबान बसंत चवे मेरा सी जलवंत चवे आओ जोई आया सोई आया मेरा सी जलवंत चवे आओ जोई आया सोई आया कोई चवे को खास चवे को आम चवे को खास चवे को आम चवे हो चवे को आम चवे हो पुटो चवे को आम चवे सजो सजो नाम चवे जोई आया सोई आया सजो सजो नाम चवे कोई आया सोई आया कोई चवे आओ कोई आया सोई आया कोई चवे आओ कोई आया सोई आया कोई चवे
Alright, spectators, this was our Indus Melodies today, in which we paid a tribute to the labor of the world on May Day, or the Labor Day, 1st May, and also we paid a tribute to Hazrat Sachal Sarmast on his recently passed 200th demise anniversary or annual Urs. So this was our today's show, and I would be wrapping up today's show with a pretty song composed by Zafar Ali and sung by Zafar Ali along with his companions, which is a tribute, a homage to farmer especially. Farmer is also one of the important core parts of the labor class who sows the seed, and especially in the cultures like ours, which are agricultural cultures, the farmers have a core importance who sow the seed for the prosperity of this country, because when this country is fertile, everywhere prosperity can be seen. And may this land be prosperous, not only Pakistan, not only subcontinent, South Asia, not only Asia, but everywhere in the world. May economy grow, may the pandemic ends, and may we all live long, and may we be able to give a proper respect, a due respect to the labor class, to all the classes including this labor class which is not being given its rights. With this promise, we are going to wrap up the show and requesting you that please do forward your feedback about the show. If you want to send us email, our email is info@radiovoiceofsin.com or djasirkazi@yahoo.com or fmwyq946@gmail.com. If you want to follow us on Twitter, our Twitter is @RJYasirKazi, @RJYSIRQAZI. If you want to follow us on Facebook, our Facebook is facebook.com/Radio Voice of Sindh or /DJ Yasir Qazi, DJYSIRQAZI. If you want to like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel, that is with the name of Yasir Qazi, YSIRQAZI, or if you want to write the address directly in the address bar, that would be youtube.com/FMWQY. Please press the bell icon for the reception of continuous updates and select the option of all notifications, and you would be able to get all the notifications about the videos we upload and the live broadcasts we make. So listeners, I would be meeting you inshallah Aziz, Basharte Hayat and Durustagi Halat, if God permitted and the health and also the circumstances allowed me. We would be meeting you on May 4th. 2021, 10 in the morning, as per Pakistan Standard Time, in my regular Sindhi disc jockey breakfast morning show. That would be Suraj Shahu Kadhiyon. Till then, your host and your executive producer Yasir Qazi says you take care, aloha, goodbye, Allah Hafiz, tata and bye-bye, over and out, and also Haq Maujood, Sada Maujood.
मुझे मुल्क जहारी हो, मुझे मुल्क जहारी, दादे शान शौकत वारा, दादे शान शौकत वारा, मिठड़ा ओ सुहेना ओ साथी सचारा, मुझे मुल्क जहारी हो, मुझे मुल्क जहारी, दादे शान शौकत वारा, दादे शान शौकत वारा, मिठड़ा ओ सुहिणा ओ साथी सचारा, मुझे मुल्क जहारी हो, मुझे मुल्क जहारी। धरती जी था सिंध सवारिन, हलदारे हलो हलो हलदारे हलो हलो हलदारे हलो हलो हलदारे हलो, पिठड़ा ओ सुहिणा ओ साथी सचारा, मुझे मुल्क जहारी हो, मुझे मुल्क जहारी, राधे शान शौकत वारा, राधे शान शौकत मिठड़ा ओ सुहिणा ओ साथी सचारा मुंहिंजे मुल्क जा हारी हो मुंहिंजे मुल्क जा हारी सोनारो पातंगल था गाढ़ा पीला रंग कढन था हलदारे हलो हलो हलदारे हलो हलदारे हलो हलो हलदारे हलो मिठड़ा ओ सोहिणा ओ साथी सचारा मुंहिंजे मुल्क जा हारी हो मुंहिंजे मुल्क जा हारी राधे श्याम शौकत राधे श्याम शौकत मिठड़ा ओ सोहिणा ओ साथी सचारा मुंहिंजे मुल्क जा हारी हो मुंहिंजे मुल्क जा हारी
सिंध मुंहिंजी अमा सूह तुंहिंजी मथां छा लिखी छा लिखां छा लिखी छा लिखां ओ सिंध मुंहिंजी अमा
दुनिया जा सिंधियो हिक मुठ थी सिंध बचायो
सिंध मुंहिंजी अमा सूह तुंहिंजी मथां छा लिखी छा लिखां
सिंध जो क़ौमी आवाज़ रेडियो वॉइस ऑफ सिंध लंडन। रेडियो वॉइस ऑफ सिंध लंडन पंहिंजी नशरियात में सिंध जी सियासत, समाज, इक़्तिसादियात, तारीख़, क़ौमी उमंगुनि ऐं इख़्लाक़ियात मुतलिक़ सिंध जी हक़ीक़ी तर्जुमानी कंदे प्रोग्रामनि खे असराइतो बणाइण लाइ सिंध जे घण घुरनि ऐं धरतीअ सां प्यार कंदड़ अदीबनि, दानिशवरनि, सहाफ़ियुनि, उस्तादनि, वकीलनि ऐं हर तबिके जे मानवारनि सजणनि खे सिंध में शऊरी इनकलाब लाइ सहकार जो सॾु ॾियूं था। अचो त गॾिजी सूफ़ियुनि ऐं संतनि वारी सिंध जो ओज हिक मुठ थी वरी वापसि आणण वारे सफ़र जा साथारी बणिजऊं। हिक नए सुबुह जी शुरूआत जो पड़ाॾो घर घर ॻोठ ॻोठ ऐं शहर शहर ताईं पहुचायो। शाल सिंध आबाद ऐं ख़ुशहाल थिए, सिंधी माण्हू सुखियो ऐं सताबो थिए।